In this video, I'm going to teach you how to access your IP camera away from home. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. To access an IP camera while you are away from home is by using the manufacturer's dedicated mobile app or software. These will typically use a peer-to-peer or cloud-enabled access method. You can also set up port forwarding on your home router, although this is going to be a little bit more complex. So every device is going to have an IP address. You can find it when you go over to the settings and you see it under network information or other categories. So to start, note down the IP address of the specific camera that you want to remotely access. Once you have that IP address, you might also need to acquire the ports related to the camera. So in this example, I'm showing you through a Relink camera. Once you have all of this information about your specific camera, you will usually be able to remotely access it by visiting the IP address followed by the port. So you get the IP address from the camera, and then you get the port here, usually HTTP, and then you can then input that IP address followed by the port on a web browser to access it. So as you can see, when HTTP and HTTPS are both disabled, the device cannot be accessed via web browser. So make sure that both of these options are enabled, and then you are free to use the IP address. For Reolink, you will have to sign into your account and then see the camera view remotely. This is going to depend entirely on the manufacturer of your camera and what it requires. Some of them can be more or less convenient, and some of them might have a dedicated app or software that you can also download and use instead. This is simply a general instruction on how you can access your IP camera. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.